So what is the difference between calculated columns and measures? So calculated columns expands a table by adding a column as defined by a formula. So in case we have a table where we have two values, one is sales, another one is profit. Now we want to calculate the cost. How will you do that? We will simply deduct profit from revenue. So the new column would be sales minus profit or revenue minus profit. So this new column, which is called cost, is an additional column in the table. So this is called calculated columns because it is expanding your table by adding a column as defined by a formula. Simple, right? What is a measure? It summarizes all the data into a single value. Now you have a column with the name revenue, and you that revenue has been given for like 5 years every month, right? So how many rows we have 12 rows for each year, and for 5 years we have 60 rows. Now you want to total out that revenue for all the 5 years. So that one value which you would be getting after totaling out that sales column, this is called measure. So this is the difference, basic difference between calculated column and measures. Calculated columns is ideal for detailed information because we have that information for every row which we are calculating. And measures are ideal for analytical summary information because the output is a single value, the value which we are getting vertically, right? This value is not available for each row horizontally. So this is a single value. So this is ideal for analytical summary information. Calculated columns is computed at every refresh. So whenever you refresh your data, it will be computed every time. Why? Because anytime we can change the columns on the basis of which we have calculated the value in the calculated column. So it will be calculated at every refresh. What happens with measures? It is computed at the runtime. So these are memory related, functioning related differences. Fourth, calculated columns are stored in a table, while the measures are stored temporarily. They do not take memory. This is a major difference. So when we talk about calculated columns, they are definitely going to make the entire process slow. But measures, they are not stored in the memory, they are stored temporarily. So they are not going to make your working slow in any case. Calculated columns are limited by row context, and measures limited by filter context. This difference is based on one point, that calculated columns are horizontal and measures are vertical. Last difference, calculated columns performs calculations horizontally. I already covered this point, and measures perform calculations vertically. So these are the basic differences between calculated columns and measures. So whatever we have learned in this particular module, we would be covering that practically as well. I would be covering a case where calculated columns has been used, and I would be covering a lot of cases where the measures have been used. So that understanding would be better when we would be coming to the practical part.